I waited 1 year to open this box. This is the Rabbit R1, it says right there. It came in this little shipment. The only thing that was in it was the device itself, right here. So why am I talking about this today? Honestly, it's because I didn't return mine. I held on to it waiting for the day it would be valuable, and I think that day is here. In a tech landscape where every new device is focused on being faster, being thinner, being lighter, being cheaper, and just improving down to the bleeding edge of everything, it's rare to land on a device that is just fun to use. Every time I pick it up, I discover something new. You'll see here, I have 118 tokens. You acquire that from asking questions. So I've been using this day in, day out. And this is not even everything. I think at some point I had racked it up to like 250. With these tokens, I can earn customization. So my little bunny. Okay. And so I'll just scroll until something falls out of this. What did I want? Ooh, I want a Rey Mysterio customization. Oh, that is sick. Okay. On camera, this is my favorite one so far. It surprises me every time I pick it up. I was trying to study the other day. I'm like, wonder if I can listen to music on it. And the speaker is not the best. It's not gonna fill a room. For the sake of studying, it works for me. For sleeping to rain music, it works. Play lo-fi study playlist on Spotify. Oh crap. I can hold the button and then scroll the wheel up or down while holding to control the volume. But let's be real, the R1 is slow. Like I'm talking really slow. I ask it a question and I wait and it thinks and it keeps thinking and eventually it does answer, but even then it's sourced from perplexity and sometimes the answers are not really accurate, especially for like real-time information. So it also helps to check it. That being said, I don't use the R1 when I'm in a rush. I use it for a moment. It's a device that lets me ask one question with one button and then I'm done. I can't say the same about my phone. That's like a unique experience in its own right. For example, who are the two professionals that were just caught hugging up at the Coldplay concert?
Let me see what I can find. Searching for two professionals seen hugging at Coldplay concert.
Let's see if I can answer that. This is like recent news. I'm talking about within days. So if it can answer this, I think it's reasonable. It is thinking and it keeps thinking. And this is in real time, by the way. I'm not fast forwarding anything. I'm just waiting for an answer. It's thinking some more.
The two professionals caught hugging at the Coldplay concert were Andy Byron, the CEO of a unicorn startup, and Kristen Cabot, the Chief People Officer. This moment went viral, drawing significant media attention and led to discussions online.
Okay, that's enough. Some of the updates that have rolled out that I really enjoy. Starting off with the camera. So to open up the camera, it's pretty simple. Just double tap like this. And then boom, there's this feature called Magic Camera. I take a picture of something and I can ask AI about what's in the picture, or I can transform the picture into like digital art. Another cool feature is the voice. My voice is an Indian professor voice, and here's why. So I'm a comp-sci student and I succeeded in school by having Indian professor at my university, but also just watching Indian courses and explanations online. The thing about the Indian voice explaining content sounds, one, therapeutic, but also just like helps it drive it home for me. That's just my take, but you can pick any voice. You can enter a prompt to describe what the voice should sound like, and every time it generates it, it will match that.
Hey everyone, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. And if you are thinking about picking up the Rabbit R1, drop a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts or any questions you might have. Thanks so much for watching and see you in the next one.
The other thing you can also do on the website is customize the UI to mimic a combination of Liquid OS and the PS5 OS. That combination. Oh, I just dropped my rabbit. I'll be right back. I think this thing needs a case. I always get nervous when it falls. It's just glossy and beautiful. I don't want it to get scratched up, especially since I plan on holding onto it. Going back to UI, some things I've played around with is having it look like a PS5, having it look like a Nintendo Switch, having it look like iOS. So right now, the one I'm using, which I love, is a combination of Liquid OS and a PS5, and that works really well. What I've loved about it so far is that every month since January of this year, there's been a new update by the Rabbit team. So they're committed to improving this product. The Rabbit R1 is fun. Would I recommend it? If you have $200 to spare and just need a new device that keeps life interesting and engaging, drop the bread on it. If you don't have $200, don't waste your money. It's way too early. Seeing how frequently the updates are rolling in, I am hoping that maybe a year from now, that $200 price point can be justified for the majority of people. But since the target user for this product hasn't really been defined yet, it's kind of tossed up on who would get value out of it at this point. Is it worth $200 today? I can't say that. Is it the most productive device you can have? No. But is it fun? Yes. It reminds me of like the Miata of the car space, in the sense that it's not the fastest, it's not the fanciest, but every time I use it, it gives me like an interesting experience. I'll be tuned in for the rest of the updates. If you like this video, please leave a like, leave a comment, and let me know what you think the future of handheld AI devices hold. Because for me, being able to ask a question with one button, get an answer, and be done is a new experience. That's coming from somebody that's using the iPhone and Siri. Peace.